Hello friends, welcome to Harshit and Mihika's channel. We are talking about a beautiful spiritual and historical journey from Garden City, Bangalore to scenic and artistic Lipakchi temple in Andhra Pradesh. If you are looking for one-day road trip filled with history, mythology and stunning architecture, then the Lipakchi is the perfect destination for you. So Harshit, please explain your friends about this temple.
तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। लिपाक्षी is located about 120 kilometers north of Bangalore. It takes around 2.5 to 3 hours by car. The best route is via NH44 smooth highways and scenic countryside views make the drive very pleasant. Early morning start is recommended to enjoy cool weather and avoid traffic. You can either drive yourself, book a cab, or even take a Care City bus to Hindupur and then take a short ride to Lipakshi.
As you reach Lipakchi, the peaceful ruler sitting immediately calms your mind. The main attraction is Birbhadra Temple, an architectural masterpiece built in 16th century during Vijayanagara Empire.
The Veerbhadra temple was constructed by the brothers Veerupanna Nayaka and Veeranna.
The temple is dedicated to Birbhadra, a fiery form of Lord Shiva created after Sati's self-immolation. Mythology said that the bird Jatayu fell here trying to rescue Sita from Ravana. As he lays during, Lord Rama said Le Pakchi means rise the bird, thus giving the place its name Le Pakchi. The temple complex is built in a low rocky hill called Kurmashila means tortoise hill. Marble at the beautiful carvings on the pillars, ceilings and walls from Ramayana, Mahabharata and Puranas are come live here. Don't miss the hanging pillar, the architecture wonder that pillar fully doesn't touch the ground. Many tourists pass a cloth to see the gap. Harshit, can you explain whatever you have seen over there?
Yes, I seen lot of things there.
So we will just explain one by one what you can explore over there.
The temple is very good. Now I will tell you the main attraction of the temple is hanging pillar. The pillar mysteriously hang above the ground and showcase the excellent craftsmanship of ancient Indian engineers.
To check the pillar, devotees takes a cloth and pass the cloth through the pillar, and it is very auspicious activity, and they keep the cloth with them for further puja in their house.
The second attraction is giant Nandi statue. Made from a single granite stone, it faces the Shiva Linga inside the temple. It is a large monolithic Nandi in India. And third attraction is Naga Linga and seven-headed Naga under it. A Shiva Lingam built from a single. The fourth attraction is Kalyan Mandapa, an incomplete wedding hall said to have been intended for Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati's marriage celebration.
The main attraction of the temple is Lord Shiva's Rudra Roop Darshan, that is a Birbhadra Swami. You can see over the screen. Harshit, can you explain what people can explore and do in Lipakchi?
Yes, they can do photography. Every corner is a piece of art. Capture the beautiful sculpture and learn history. Hire a local guide or listen carefully to temple caretakers who share fascinating stories. Relax and meditate. The peaceful environment makes it perfect for meditation or simply sitting quietly and soaking in the energy. Explore the surroundings, walk around the village and experience rural Andhra Pradesh.
The best time to visit is October to February where the weather is pleasant. Summer can be quite hot, so avoid visiting between March to May. Entry fees is free. Temple timing is generally 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. It is recommended to visit early morning or late afternoon for the best experience. Lipakche village is a full small entities, but it is better to carry your own food and water. Restroom available near the temple and the premises. For the comfortable meal, you can stop at restaurant on the highway while returning to Bangalore. I'll just share some tips to comfort visit to the temple. Wear comfortable footwear as you will need to remove your shoes inside the temple. Dress modestly as it is a religious place. Carry cash as a digital payment will not work in some areas. Respect the heritage, avoid touching or damaging the ancient structures. So, Lipakcha is not a temple, it is a living museum of art, history, and devotion. In one day, you can witness the Vijayanagar dynasty. So, if you are in Bangalore or visiting Bangalore, don't miss out to visit this hidden gem few hours away from Bangalore. So this is the whole Lipakchi tour experience what we shared with you. Hope you enjoyed. Now do like, share and subscribe our channel. Keep watching our vlogs. See you in the next vlog. Till then, bye bye. Have a nice day.